the one thing that's important to know is that the MVD is always the first place that's going to require that screening, right? And the common misconception is a client will do the screening in order to fulfill that compliance requirement to get their license back. They asked me if they need to take any classes. Answer to that question would be, are you dealing with the courts yet? Have you sought legal counsel? Do you know where you're at with the actual charge itself? Because even if you're not convicted of the DUI or received paperwork that you have a court date, the MVD still suspends your license and wants you to get this screening done in order to fulfill that compliance requirement. It's a little confusing, and a lot of the time you have to explain it like that because they're basically two separate entities that don't really communicate with one another, and you're doing one thing for two different people that are going to want it at different times, right? So it's frustrating, it's confusing, and I think that's the main point that we stress at Cornerstone is like, yeah, it sucks, you got to get this done, but let me give you some correct information on how the whole process works so that you feel a little bit more confident and at ease, and you're not stressed out about like, well, am I going to be in trouble with the court if I don't do these classes now when I haven't even received anything from the court as far as my charge, right?